Hello students, welcome to the class. I feel like I'm a teacher with this thing on and my glasses. It reminds me of something, some kind of smell from my childhood. Hello beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. This is so big and so hefty. So this is FabFitFun and I'm so excited and I'm so happy that you're here. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's dive in. And also there is going to be a giveaway, so stay tuned. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be part of this YouTube family. And to do that, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button and also like this giveaway and also leave your Instagram handle such that I can contact you. Giveaway would be this bag right here. Altogether it's a value of $85 plus, so I'm really excited for this giveaway and one of you guys would be getting all of these products. Let me find the scissors. Oh my god, this is so big and so heavy. Not sure why this is so heavy. I don't remember like what are the products that I got from FabFitFun, but this seems really big. Okay, so here is the beauty FabFitFun, and I think this is the box that's heavy because I have my add-ons there. It's not that heavy. I think this box itself is heavy and it's really big when compared to my last two boxes. I need to catch my breath. I mean, why is it so heavy? I don't know. Okay. Wow. So here is the sneak peek. And if you guys can tell, like I did switch to different lighting right now. So let me know in the comments like if you like this lighting better than my old lighting. So here is the magazine that we got. It says FabFitFun. We found your favorite bag. You're worth celebrating. It has all the information about like what's in my bag. So this one is the Mansion Tops glassware bottle with this neoprene in turquoise. So this is glass bottle and this is heavy. So this is how it looks, and this do have this sleeve. It did come with that sleeve, which is good. Okay, and let me see what's the price on this one. It's $35. Ditch the plastic and opt for the sleek glass bottle which holds up to 20 ounces. Okay, that's amazing. This is the beauty that I got next. Price on this one is, this retails for $45. Neck chair, blue light blocking sunglasses in brown turquoise. Now that's the look. I love it. Block blue light from your computer or phone to keep your eyes refreshed and lessens fatigue. So this is the beauty that we have next. This is kind of very big bottle and this is a room spray. This one right here. So this one is 7C. There are like two of them, 021 and 001, and I think I got 001. And this one is Stone Candles Room Spray in Santal Noir. Spritz your room with a musky blend of sandalwood and cardamom, and this retails for $36. That is that. Just want to smell like how it smells. It smells good, like sandalwood for sure. Does it have sandalwood? Let me see. Yeah, sandalwood and cardamom. So let's see. Use liberally, spray as much as desired to enhance your environment and ambience. Why not? I want to enhance my ambience. Yeah, it smells good. Yeah, I think I should start like spraying a couple of these pumps before my videos. Okay, next we have this beauty right here. Yeah, all of these are kind of heavy. That's the reason this shipment is heavy. So this beauty right here, let's see what this is. It's 8A. Okay, it's a beauty pepper golden superfood shower gel. This shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients and it retails for $30. This is an invigorating shower gel enriched with supercharging ingredients of pumpkin, argan, apricot, aloe vera, and orange. This one right here. So this is the Laundress New York Crease Release easily removes moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. And this one retails for $16. Next, I have this one I'm so excited about, and this one is Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil. Okay, let's see about this one. It's a Stress Reliever 100% Natural Ayurvedic Hair Oil. Give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. And this one retails for $75. I want to smell this one. This is how it looks. It smells like a perfume. Kind of familiar perfume. It reminds me of some kind of smell from my childhood. What that smell is? I think it's jasmine. Yeah, I smell jasmine kind of smell. Ingredients, it has the rapeseed oil, jasmine. See, I knew this is jasmine. I have like this one kind of perfume, like I don't remember, from my childhood, that used to smell like same kind of jasmine scent. So I know there is jasmine in there. Jasmine flower oil and pumpkin seed oil and sesame seed oil, and this smells so good. I feel like I have to put this on my body as a perfume, not as a hair oil. Next, we have this beauty right here. So this is the one that I chose, and I do have the add-ons too, so maybe I'm going to unbox my add-ons later. This itself is going to be a big video, so I'm planning of maybe unboxing my add-ons in my next video. Okay, so this is Foxy Bay 25mm black curling wand with rose gold colored barrel, and this on its own retails for $99. It's like very expensive. Now let's go ahead and try it. But there should be some kind of like temperature control, but I don't see it. I'm just too scared to burn my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know I'm the worst styling with my curling wand, but hey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's kind of good. It gives like nice kind of curls. This is the woven scarf finish with fringe, and this one retails for $85. This scarf cardigan crossover is crafted with signature woven fabric and drapes beautifully over shoulders. Fabric looked really interesting, and this looked really beautiful on the model, so I want to give it a shot. Hello students, welcome to the class. I feel like I'm a teacher with this thing on and my glasses. Teacher. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what are your FabFitFun products are, and I'm so excited about all of these products. They are like really interesting, and I'm going to use like almost all of the products. So I'm so excited, and thank you so much for visiting my channel, and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.